Hello everyone, I'm Agnes and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review a mask which can be used for multi-purpose. It detox body, it improves your skin tone, it gives glow and shine to your skin, it makes your skin soft and healthy. It treats acne, pores, pigmentation, it removes blackheads, whiteheads, scars. It is anti-aging and the best part is it can be used by anybody. It has no side effects. It is totally 100% natural. So let's get started. Yes friends, I'm talking about health and beauty Indian healing clay from the brand Aztec Secret. Now this is the most powerful facial. Yes, of course it is, and it has calcium bentonite clay. Now friends, calcium bentonite clay is an absorbent kind of clay that forms after the volcanic ashes ages. And friends, this clay has a unique composition that absorbs negatively charged toxins. We all know that every day we are exposed to pesticide, leads and many other pollutants, and these toxins gets accumulated in our body, in our skin, and it is really very important to remove it. So now let us quickly check the directions. Friends, in the direction it has been suggested to use a non-metallic bowl. So here I have taken a glass bowl along with a plastic spoon. Now, I always use this apple cider vinegar from the same brand in order to get the best result. But if you don't have, you can always use water. Now, before making the paste, let us quickly check the clay. Now, you can see you get a good amount of clay in this pack, and you can use it for a long time. The texture, if I show you, see the texture is very smooth and very powdery. It is very smooth. Mix this clay with an equal amount of apple cider vinegar to a smooth paste. See, I am taking 1 spoon of the clay and 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar to a smooth paste. If you need more, you can take little more. Now see, my mask is ready. Now let us apply and see. Now friends, see, I am ready to apply this mask. So I am using a brush to apply it. If you don't have, you can always use your fingers. See, I have removed my makeup. So you should always remove your makeup before applying this mask. And also I have kept a mirror in front of me so that I can apply the paste and show you. Just make a smooth paste. Avoid the eye area.
We were riding down the hill. Summer breeze came from.
Yes, of course, don't forget the neck area, because this mask really gives an instant glow, shine to your face. Once you remove this mask, you will really see the difference. So now here I finish applying. So when you apply the mask, please don't talk, but I am talking because I am making the video. Friends, if you have a delicate skin, then keep the mask for 5 to 10 minutes, and if you have normal skin, then you can keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. So let me dry the mask. Now friends, you can see it has dried up and I can hardly talk. So when it dries, you need to apply, wash it with warm water. So I'll wash my face quickly and come back to you. Now friends, as you can see, I have washed my face and I am feeling very fresh and my skin has become very smooth. Now friends, this is not the first time I am using this mask. I have used before, and first time when I used it, I really had some redness after washing the mask. I had little redness around my nose area, but that is nothing that will go away within half an hour. That's why I will suggest you to do a patch test before using. One more thing friends, when I had on the mask, I felt a slight pulling and tightening sensation. That is just because it attracts the toxins from your skin, and don't worry about it. That is why I will suggest you to apply the mask at night and then moisturize your skin. Friends, I have used many masks before, but this is one of the best masks I have ever used because it is 100% natural, it has no side effects, and it really works the way it says. And that is why its claim of being the world's most powerful facial stands true. That's all in this video. I hope you will find this video helpful. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.